Do you ever get those days where you think you're getting to the end of a job and then another one springs up? I just put the wheels back on this because I know it needed to have the bearings adjusted on this side, but I don't know if you can see how rusty that spline is. But take a look in here if you can. Let's grab that light. That doesn't look good, does it? Can you see it? So is that my problem? Well, not my only problem. Got a snap stud. Darn. Oh yeah. Can you see how much the spline's worn? Now is it the spline or is it the shim and what have you? Let's get that circlip off. Well, you might as well see this at the same time as me. Let's hope it's just a flange, eh? It's pretty dry, eh? What's the bearing like? Oh, the bearing's got grease on it. Oh, the spline's shot. Oh, calamity. Oh, I don't say I'm going to take all that lot off. This car's never going to get away. Yeah, the spline's shot. No grease at all. Darn. CV sounds good. Have I got one, he asks. Maybe. I wonder what the other side's like. Let me go and have a look. So the other side's good. This one's had no lubrication on it at all. Damn, I just thought I got it all done as well. And getting that stud out of there, that's not going to be fun. Because that is a nice fresh brake. It's not been stuck in like I thought it was with silicone, it's just snapped as I was taking it out. That means it's going to be tight. Getting the bolts out is not all that easy. I don't want to run off. I don't mean run off, run away, tempting as it is. That might be a job to put on JP's milling machine. Right, I made a conscious decision to strip that hub down in the morning, but in the meantime I've been looking around on my shelves because I did find another hub. I found a really nice CV and I took it to bits. They're interesting to take to bits, but I took it to bits and checked all the balls and things like that. That was nice and fine. That's actually a GKN one, a real British one. Probably break. And I found a genuine flange, so that's good. That's going to be nice. I was going to drill out the stud in that one, but I've got to take it all to bits anyway to get to the CV, and I thought to speed the job up a bit, I'll just prepare a hub here that I know is good and swap it over and try and get that stud out later if we can. I did mention about taking it down to JP to do rather than me, because he can put the hub in his dividing head on his milling machine and get it perfectly square, whereas I'm a bit hit and miss on my drill press, and he can actually drill it out and we could maybe salvage the old thread. I don't know, but when he's quiet we'll have a go at that. But at the moment I know he's really busy, so I don't want to disturb him, and I don't want to make a complete horlicks of the job on my drill press and be off centre a bit. Now, I checked the other side. The other side was good. I took the cap off and everything was good in there, so I'll fill that full of grease and I'll push it back in, and that should be okay for that. But I really wanted that job out today and it's still hanging on. I took the liberty of jumping onto it because that spline is going to go at some point. so I've got to adjust the wheel bearing, so we might as well kill 25 birds with one stone really. After that, drop it down. I've got the doors to inject with wax rust proofing and a little bit of crown rust proofing, and then lift it up, shoot it underneath the bits of black that I missed, and that should be it, hopefully. Oh, I've got some trims to go around the windows, some wind deflectors to go around the windows. Never done them. I've also, I haven't been messing about, but I've also put some felt seals back into the windows, on the side windows, and we got some better material this time, so that's really nice. But I made a complete mess of doing that windows. I was going to film it, but we've done it before. I'll put a link below to the video, but that was a bugger. That was a real bugger of a job, because somebody had had a go at it before doing the side windows, and they'd put some rubber right at the very top, and you couldn't see it, so I couldn't slide the window backwards and forwards, and I got all jammed up with it, so the video didn't turn out too well. Anyway, less of this rambling, but we've got another job to do that we didn't expect, but at least we've got the parts. See ya.